Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is dedicated to something just very simple and quick. I am introducing to you guys a little bit of the type of junk journal that I'm going to be playing with this month. It's a new one that I haven't really done before and just kind of a fun idea and an option for you to be able to try. So here is my journal. As you can see, it's literally just a journal. You can pick these up on Amazon. I've gotten a couple from the thrift store before for like $1. The dollar store, Walmart, things like that. So that's the type of journal I'm going to be using this month. And this is just something I wanted to try. You guys know I've done a lot of different types of journals, so this is just a new one that I get to show you guys here on this channel. One of the things I am doing to prep this journal is I have my matching collection that I am using, and these are some of the papers in that collection. I pre-cut them to the sizes to fit inside of this journal. As you can see, that size is 5.5 by 8 inches. That's the size I cut those papers to, so that as I am embellishing and journaling, the pages are just ready to go. You can see I've already done a few pages here. I'll have some tutorials on these pages and a bunch more in the upcoming days, so you can kind of ignore that for now, but you can kind of see a gist of what to expect. So let's actually create a page really quick together, so I can just show you some of the fun items in this kit and get you familiar with my ideas and techniques. First things first is I get to pick a fun paper, and this kit has the best papers, totally my style, so I'm really excited. But I'm trying to find two that look really good together, and these are kind of the two that I'm leaning towards. They just have some of that fun blue and then some classic black and white. Just simple, totally me. Black and white gingham paper is going to be my background, and then I'm going to be creating a tall pocket with this number paper, the blue paper. Another thing I'm going to be consistently doing throughout this journal is rounding out all of my corners, because the journal has rounded corners, so I wanted to keep that universal. For this specific journal, for any page, I'm going to start by simply gluing it down to your page and just getting things ready to embellish and decorate. You just get to start with a blank slate every time, and it's so fun. Next, my goal was to figure out something that kind of looked good to create kind of a skinny file folder type of a pocket on the edge of the paper. So I went ahead and found a paper that was about the same size, folded it in half, and then I made plans to kind of create a cut across the center. So I went up an inch, and then I made sure to think about cutting a little bit higher than halfway across. So I did that, lined it up, and cut it out. This is somewhat what you're left with, and just to keep things consistent, I'm just going to round out those bottom corners, and I think it looks super cute. From here, I'm simply just going to open up this little triangle pocket shape that we have created, and I'm going to cut it in half. To me, this is where the magic kind of starts happening, and you can kind of start to see where I'm going with this. But I'm going to create that side pocket, and it's cool because you can kind of decide, where do I want to put this? Do I want to put this on the side of the page? Do I want to do it on the right side of the page? And maybe you could even consider doing one pocket on the right side corner and the left bottom corner, so like across from each other, and that would look cool too. And even one more possibility is to do something like this. Kind of cool and fun to see all the options. As for me in this video, we are just going to be doing some right side pockets and creating a really overlapping pocket effect, which is super fun. The next stage in a scenario like this is one of the best ones, and it's getting to decide what you want to add in and how you want to embellish the outside. So I already have created some pieces, and I'm kind of just deciding, what I want to do here. And this is my general layout, and so I was kind of just working with colors and seeing what I wanted to do here, inking, adding on those finishing touches, and at this point it really is just fun and relaxing. So get together some of your favorite pieces and work with those. It's also really fun if you want to add your own personal touches, like personal photos of your life and what's going on, little notes, journal space. All of those things are just great additions when you are junk journaling. Oh, here is the finished product and a fun little take on some of the elements in this junk journal kit. If you want to follow along this month, if you want something fun to do, something crafty, then I really recommend checking out the Keepsake collection. It is beautiful, it's timeless, and one of a kind, created by us for you guys. I have a lot of videos coming throughout this month, the month of December, that kind of get to show some of our ideas, fun projects, and inspiration for you to have a successful month of crafting. So if you want the kit, you can actually get it by becoming a subscriber during this month of December 2025, or you can get it anytime on our shop. And I'll have everything linked in the description of this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and we will see you next time. And I hope that you join us for a month of fun crafting.